Hello guys, I'm here just for you all. You all getting tired of getting up in the mornings. Oh, I want some bacon. But you have to put it in your frying pan with all this grease and stuff, and your bacon all gets shrivel up and stuff. I got this item right here. It's called Chef Tony's General's Magic Bacon Pan here. Look at this here. That's a wonderful features here. Here, let's take a look here and see what we got here. Let's see here. Let me pull this thing out here. Well, let's see here. Let's see what we got here. Look at this tray here. You slide your bacon right on there. You put your bacon that hole up to about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, about 16 slices of bacon. No waste, no grime, no. All your grease go right down in this pan. Wait a minute. Let's see what Steven had down up his sleeve. Let's see here. Woo! Look at this. You even got a tool to get your bacon out. Look at that. Yeah, pull your bacon right out. No more. Please come on by here while supplies last and pick up that bacon pan here. Yeah, huh? I'll see y'all on the flip side here. Bye-bye.